So look at this beautiful kitchen. I mean, who wouldn't want this for their kitchen? This countertop is just beautiful. So tell me about these beautiful countertops.
Well, this is River Rock that came out of Lake Pontchartrain in Louisiana, and they make it in huge tiles, and it's basically a natural material.
So Tim, the cabinets look like cabinets that I see in a lot of homes today, but you've indicated that there's something a little different about these that make them a little greener. What would that be?
Well, the environmental statement on the company was really good, and that's why we chose them. They should be cabinetry. We should shoot for having completely formaldehyde-free, but the United States doesn't outlaw it yet. So this has small amounts of formaldehyde, but it's a lot lower than most cabinetry.
And so when you're talking about formaldehyde-free, is that what I'm hearing with no VOC, low VOC? Is formaldehyde a VOC?
Yes.
And one of the VOCs out there?
Exactly. And on a real tight home, it's really important that you're lowering your VOCs in the entire house with your furniture, your carpets, cabinetry, your curtains. All those things give off VOCs and add to the environmental air quality in the house. That degrades it.
Which again is tighter air in here, so we want to keep the emissions and the off-gassing from these chemicals out of this house as much as possible.
Exactly.
Thank you.